This is iFlight. Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we will guide you on how to upgrade your Nazgul DC5 Eco 03 version to the DJI 04 Air Unit Pro. Before we begin, let's prepare the necessary tools and equipment. Use a 2.0mm hex screwdriver to remove the top plate, camera mounting bracket, and side panels. Use a 5.5mm socket screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Carefully lift the flight controller slightly and pull out the coaxial cable of the DJI 03 Air unit through the gap. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the XT60 power connector at the rear. Lift out the anti-spark filter. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the air unit. Disconnect the power cable and antenna cables from the air unit. At this point, the 03 Air unit removal is complete. Now install the CNC camera side panel kit of the DJI 04 Air Unit Pro. When insert the damper balls, ensure the camera logo is facing downward for correct orientation. The raised side of the silicone pads should face inward and distinguish between the left and right sides. L is the left side and R is the right side. Use the 4 2x5mm screws that come with the DJI 04 Air Unit Pro to secure the silicone pads to the camera. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the top. Lift the top cover, remove the original antennas, and replace them with the aircraft's original antennas. Secure the top cover back in place with the 4 screws. Next step, mounting the air unit. The DJI 04 Air Unit Pro has mounting hole spacings of 20mm inner and 25mm outer. The Nazgul DC5 Eco supports mounting hole of 20mm, 25mm, and 30mm. Here we will use the 20mm holes for installation. Align the 4 mounting holes of the air unit with the carbon plate and secure them using M2 6mm screws. Connect the power cable to the air unit. Place the coaxial cable inside the flight controller, as it was before removal. Secure with 4 screws. Reinstall the side panels, ensuring that LED strips and cables are not pinched or damaged. Then secure the CNC camera side plates with M3 6mm screws. Use M2 12mm screws to secure the XT60 power connector at the rear. Then reinstall the top plate and tighten the screws. Now the Nazgul DC5 Eco has been successfully upgraded to the DJI 04 Air Unit Pro. Thank you for watching.